Hello everybody and welcome to IMTEX 2023. We are at Hall 5 and stall A102. With Ace Robotics, we have Mr. Abilash here who has been doing a really great job with the robotics. So hello Mr. Abilash.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you feeling today?
We are very proud and I feel very happy today as an Indian manufacturer and to promote Indian products further and to support Indian manufacturers who are especially into component manufacturing. So there are multiple component manufacturing companies available in India, and robotics always has been a non-reachable aspect to any component manufacturer. Despite they are the companies who actually require robotics,
Absolutely.
but majority OEMs only deploy robotics. So as a very small MSME company as well can deploy robotics. So we have made sure that these robots can be deployed in any shop floor, even in the very simplest way. In a very small company which is having maximum 2 to 3 machines can deploy these robots, and it's very easy and user friendly to operate. So we have made this product in such a way that everybody can be benefited out of this.
That is absolutely great, sir. So could you sir let me know how it can help the Indian manufacturers these days? Like everything is moving, robotics is the next step, we all know.
Correct.
So how it can help the Indian manufacturers today?
Today, right now, as technology is getting more sophisticated and as we are a consumer, especially most of the customers that we are adhering to are into automotive segment. We are also dependent and we are also expecting our products that we use needs to be in quality. Robotics today will assure this as a customer, as a producer as well. Whenever there is our customer who are into part manufacturing, so whenever there is a human interaction involved, the quality of the part needs to be ensured and the pricing also needs to be ensured. When you
Absolutely.
deploy these robots into their system, quality is ensured. Again, the pricing is ensured. The business owner further can focus more on the product development and then he can expand his business. That's the key idea behind this.
That is absolutely amazing. It will actually provide our manufacturing industry a lot of potential and will help them to go great heights. So here we also have the father of a great innovator, I would say. How are you doing, sir, today?
I feel very proud today, and being an Indian manufacturer and intelligent son.
Absolutely.
And normally in India we call it as brain drain,
Yes.
but actually it is sun drain. You have sons who migrate to US and then they never come back. The first promise he gave me was he wanted to stay back in India and then deliver to the Indian system and mainly to MSMEs. That makes me very proud. Rather than the invention, for somebody like him to stay in India and to contribute to this nation. That's what we all did, and the next generation is here to stay and deliver. That makes me very proud.
Well, we hope more such generations stay back and help the country, and I wish all the very luck to Ace Robotics, and we hope that Ace Robotics aces this in exhibition. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Sir.
Thank you
Have
very
a good time.